Come here. Back here. Rebecca, come over here. Come over here. Come here. Don't climb up. Come here. Come back here.
Rebecca got a new slide for her birthday from Nana and Papa. Sorry.
Climb up.
Today is April the 4th. Yay! How'd that work out for you?
Do you need that padding? You want to tire your kid out before bed? Have him climb up a slide.
Rebecca, go up the stairs.
Come here. Come this way. I know you probably want to do it that way. But you can do it this way
Oh my
too.
gosh. Climb. Go up the stairs.
Put your foot down. She doesn't get the foot. She's trying to use her knee.
Good job. Wait. What? What? Okay, now go down on your bottom.
Come here. Come back over here. Come here. Over this way. Got this. That's why it's 2 years old and older, right? Come here. This way.
Those pants might be a little
Come here.
tight.
Come on. Get all circulation to your feet.
Good job!
You like it? Come back here and
You
do
should
it.
have seen her face.
Her head hit the thing back here.
Go down the slide. Ready? Go, go. Yay! She's really good at it.
That's your bow, yep. Come on. You want to do it again? Come on. Let's put the bow on so everybody in the world knows that you're not a little boy.
Make her go up the stairs.
She can't coordinate yet. You ready? She loves to slide though. You'll figure it out. Come here.
Rebecca.
Come here. Rebecca, you want to get on top of the slide? Come over here. Let me help you.
You gonna try the stairs now?
I'll try to get a toy first. Come here. You gonna try the stairs?
Yeah? Go up the stairs.
Nope.
Good job.
Here. Push up. Legs aren't long enough?
Oh my god.
Didn't want to do that.
Ready, go. Go down the slide. Yay! She loves it.
Ready? Go!
Good job. Go.
Oh! Come here. We gotta put that bow back on. Come here. Good job. You thought it came off, didn't you? See a little traction. Okay, I'll let go.
Oh.
Maybe you should wear a band for this, huh?
No, Justin, you're just not putting it on right.
Oh. On your mark. Get set. Go. Okay, you do want your bow.
Oh, God.
Hey, I bowed my finger here. How about that?
Good job. Ellie, do you want to go down the slide?
You ready? Go.
Oh.
Now what are you going to do? You're at the top. You can't figure that part out either, can you? My bow's going to come off. Okay, I'll put it back on.
I can't believe that shirt's already too small for her.
She wants so bad to do it by herself.
Good job.
Good job. Oh no, I don't want your help. Here. Mark, set, go. Good hug.
Are you worn out already?
Oh, she just told me she loves you.
Can you say thank you, Nana and Papa?
More, please.
Maybe if you went up the stairs and down the slide, she'd understand it.
Liz,
What?
this thing doesn't have a 200-pound weight limit.
I thought you were only 190.
What's your driver's license say? Mine says 180.
Rebecca is into growling now? Is that what you like to call it? It's creepy.
Here we go.
And then she comes and gives me a hug. You're so sweet. Give Daddy a hug. Go give Daddy a hug. Oh, that's sweet.
Put your feet up. Say thank you. That hurt right here.
Say, I'm okay.
Get that butt in there. Nope. Your bow's still on your head.
But it's moving around. It bothers her when it's not on right.
Okay, here. Come here.
Are you sure she can't learn to go up the stairs?
She tries to use her knee.
Justin, would you like to say anything?
Today
Thanks.
I started internal medicine.
Rotation.
Yep. Rotation.
Anything profound about your daughter?